Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can divide text into two columns in Microsoft Word. Please, if you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's get started. For example, I want to divide this text from this point. Select the text. Then from layout, here we have columns. Click it. One column, two columns, three, left and right. I click more columns. Here I selected two columns. To change the width for each column, just uncheck this equal column width. I change this one to 8, for example. I provide different widths for each column. 7 and spacing 1.25. It's okay. Just okay. You see, it divided the text into two columns. For example, I want to move text from this point on to the side. Just click here. Click here, okay. Then breaks layout. Here we have brackets, column. You see the text goes to the second column. Let's see what happened here. Click home, click this icon. You see here we have a column break. To bring the text back, just click here and delete. Directly the text comes back. Please, if this video helpful for you, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.